Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Clearly you have seen the title of today's video. I got something to say about motivation and what I personally think about it, and maybe that's why you decided to click on today's video. Either way, I'm thankful that you are here because I'm ready to help you with your health and fitness goals, and I really want you to finally be able to achieve those goals. So this is going to be a tough love, little kick in the butt type of video for you today. I wanted to make this video as soon as possible because spring is already here, you guys. It's finally starting to get nicer outside. Summer is going to be here before we know it. You probably had this idea or this vision that you were going to reach your health and fitness goals by now, and you started your New Year's resolution like a lot of us, many did. February came along, because you kicked butt in January, of course, but February came along and March came along and you're just like, this is too hard. I can't do this. I'm not motivated, perhaps, is something that you said, and you quit. And now you're starting to feel that motivation come back. And a week ago, you prepped all your meals, you worked out, and now this week you're just like, I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted, I'm so tired, I'm just not motivated. I'm not gonna go to the gym. And let me tell you something, motivation is never there when we need it the most. Am I right? It's really never there when we need it the most. I'm sure that you've told yourself plenty of times that you need to eat healthy and you need to work out, but then you quit. So I just want to be real with you and I want to help you achieve your goals. I never really thought of motivation as a piece of trash, but when people started messaging me on Instagram or my friends would ask me, Cindy, how do you stay motivated to eat healthy? How do you stay motivated to go to the gym? And once people started asking me enough times, I started to realize, you know what? This isn't about motivation at all. So if you have been relying on motivation, girl, listen up, I got something for you. If you are wanting to make this journey as easy and as painless as possible, it is so beyond crucial that you establish a strong why. Why are you wanting to eat healthier? Why are you wanting to go to the gym? Sit down with yourself, take a deep breath, and really dig deep and ask yourself, what is my why? Because I know you're tired of relying on motivation, and we just established that it was a bunch of BS. So here's an example. Here's my why. The reason I eat healthy, or the reason why I go to the gym, is because stress and anxiety really affect me. And if I do not have a way to release that anxious feeling or to release that stressful state that I'm in, I start to fall apart, you guys. I start to fall apart mentally, emotionally, physically. It affects me so much. And so that is the reason why I go to the gym or why I eat healthy. That's the reason why I don't need motivation. I know that if I don't do those things, if I don't take care of myself, I'm gonna fall apart. So once you have sat down with yourself and you've taken a couple of deep breaths and you're still wondering what your why should be, I have a couple of other examples. The first one being, you have kids. Say you have little ones and you really want to start showing up as the best version of yourself for them. You want to be there when they want to play. You want to be there in special occasions that they might have, like a graduation or a wedding or what have you. You want to be there. And if you're not taking care of yourself right now, it really makes it harder for you to show up 100% for them. Now, I don't have kids right now at the moment. In the future, I definitely want to have kids. And so I'm going to make sure that I am taking care of myself now so that I'm able to have kids in the future. And so that I'm able to show up 100% for them. So that's my first example. The second example is You may be on a certain medication and you're tired of paying for that medication and you just want to get off that medication. That could be your why. Your other why could be similar to mine. Maybe stress and anxiety really affect you and it's something that you want to have help with. These whys, once you establish it, it's going to help you see the bigger picture so that you won't need to rely on motivation. And it's going to help you stay focused. Write your why statement on sticky notes, put it on your refrigerator, put it in your mirror, put it in your car, put it in your wallet, put it anywhere so that you're constantly seeing your why. I believe in you, you got this, and I know you're 100% capable of achieving anything that you want in your life, as long as you establish a strong why. Leave your why down in the comments if you feel comfortable with that. And before you go on with your amazing self, please be sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. I have more content coming your way. And I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.